So, this is my ornament of Wayne's. And this is kind of like the deep part of my house. This is deep. Like, you see this little piece of grass just purely submerged. It's raining in Switzerland, if you didn't know. This is Luzern. So it's raining pretty goddamn hard. And Bosky, I ain't the only one, but these things, my entire grass is submerged. It's literally submerged. Like, what the hell? Like, it's submerged as hell. Fucking almost fell backwards. Fuck. Sorry for the misunderstanding. Then we got some fine mints. Why need some mints in the house? Sorry for that, I didn't say it. Cringe fucking cut. Sorry for that. We also got some mints back there. Then we got a fireplace that's fucking ancient. This house is all fucking ancient. Fuck, like 100 years or something. This fireplace? My brother definitely did not. Me and my brother definitely did not violate it a few days ago. And in my house, I'm playing a nice chess game. With my family. Nice little game chess. I won both of them. If you notice, it was a brilliant move here.